This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set an image as your background in Google Slides. Here I have a Google slide and I want to insert a photo and then use that photo as my background. This is how that works. Add your photo by dragging and dropping it into your slideshow, or you can go to Insert, then select Image, and then upload from your computer, search the web, or use GIFs and stickers. You can also upload from Google Drive, Google Photos, from your camera, or from a URL or website. Once you have your photo in your slide, you don't have to make any adjustments to its size or anything like that. All you need to do is right-click that photo and then select Set Image as Background. When you do that, Google Slides will automatically resize your image to fit the size of the slide. From there, you can title your slide or add any other text or graphics or images that you want to add to that slide. So this video shows you how to set an image as your background in Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.